Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely wonderful and you're all having a great month till now. We're almost at the closing of the month and I have some absolutely wonderful news to share with you. As you might have already guessed it from the subtitle and from the thumbnail of the video, that I have cleared $25,000 funding in QT Funded. And with this funded account, it takes my total to 125K in funding. Currently that I'm standing at 100K with FTM and 25K with QT. And I'm really happy to tell you that, this is my highest ever achieved funding till now. My last highest was 100K itself, but 125K, I've never had it together, but I'm very happy that I've have it together right now. And obviously I missed telling you, I did not update you that I cleared 100K as well. But yes, I did back in July, and it was a wonderful, process as well that I cleared 100K. And maybe someday I'll just give over that. But for today, we will be seeking a little into the process of what it took me to clear a 25K account and how exactly did I clear it. What was my mindset? What is my mindset right now when I clear challenges? And how am I doing with challenges? Have I changed my approach? Am I more aggressive? Am I more, laid back? And how is it that exactly I'm creating? So please watch the video till the end. I will be showing you the exact stats and exact figures of what my winning trades were, what my losing trades were. I will take you to the dashboard and I'll show you every single thing. So please be patient. And before we start off, I would like to request you to please drop a like button and make sure that you watch the video till the end so that it'll keep me motivated. And let's get started. Okay. So, hey everyone, I think you all can see the dashboard over here. And before we start off this video, a huge shout out to Quantical and QT Funded for making this entire journey so smooth, so possible. They have great spread and great conditions. And this is the first firm I'm actually working with very, very closely. And I know that these guys are doing absolutely great in the field of prop firms, and they are actually trying to help out traders with new innovations every single day. And Alex and James are trying their best to make sure that Indian traders especially get treated very well in this entire setting. And the payouts, the conditions, the rules are as smooth as anything else can be. So if you want to be a part of QT, please make sure to use my code IFT, and you can get a 50% off, and you can also get an account on passing with their current promotion going on. So that's it for QT Funded for now. But right now, I'll take you to the dashboard and I'll show you exactly whatever you are able to see on the screen, that I passed the $25,000 phase one account over here by making $2,000 in profit, which is roughly 8%. And the way I did it was by being really a sniper. So if you see over here, I had a couple of up and down days. You can see $192 loss, $425 profit. I started this account on the 29th of August, and it took me an entire 20 days to pass. Now, I was about to going to tell you that what is my mindset right now. My mindset is very simple. Be a sniper, aim for the best trades possible, and get it cleared as quickly as possible. Be very aggressive in the challenge. But by being aggressive, I do not mean taking lots of trades and lots of risk. I mean taking those sniper trades in those assets which are moving like butter, and milk the fuck out of the markets and get the fuck out. That is what I exactly mean when I say that you have to clear challenges. And that is what I personally do. Remember, I haven't traded a lot of challenges this year because I also focused on personal accounts, and maybe I'll give an update about that in the future. But if I am trading challenges, I will be very aggressive, but I will not be aggressive every single day trading a 1 minute time frame. I will wait for my opportunity like an eagle, and I will take the best trade out of the available opportunities and make the most out of it. And that is what you can see on the 18th of September, which I took. I made $2,100. I was in $100 drawdown. I made $2,100 and I cleared this entire account. Now, if you see, my average win is 569, which is close to 2.2%. And my average loss is below 1%, which means I did not risk a lot, guys. I did not risk a lot. I made a lot. I took the best trades and I made a lot. I did not risk a lot. I did not risk 2% every single trade. If I would have risked 2% every single trade, the average loss would have been above $350 or it would have been close to $400. But I risked only $250 every single day, every single trade. And this is what I do even till now. I risk very, very, calculatively in challenges. Even though I can buy hundreds of challenges, it's not about that I don't want to be aggressive, but it's about the mindset. It's about the sustainability. How sustainable will you be taking challenges and blowing them in a single day? You will not be sustainable, and your pockets will get empty as soon as possible. If your pockets don't get empty, then your mind capital will get empty, right? You have a limited mind power, you have a limited mind capital, and sooner or later it will get empty. So don't think that you can buy 10 5K challenges and you can clear them. No, by the time you have blown the fifth 5K challenge, your mind will be completely drained. So those guys thinking aggressive approach is the way to get fast funding, looking at all the Twitter and the YouTube crap. Sadly, it's not, right? So you can see the average win and the average loss. If I go a little deep, you can also see the PNLs of particular trade. Can you see big losses? Yes, I did have a 2% loss, but 256, 1024, 123, 74. And if I move on to the second page, 190, 208, 209. I just had one big loss and I got to know that this is not the way going ahead. And I absolutely calculated that I'll have to be very, very precise from now. And that is what I did. So this is how I cleared the phase one account. Now, if we go to the phase two account, 9904, you will be able to see basically that I cleared this entire account again in almost 2 days. Okay. So I was in deep drawdown. I lost almost 3 to 4% in a single day and 1% on single day. My average loss here is even less, $185. What does that tell you? I risk very, very conservatively. My average win was $465. What does that tell you? I have a stagnant RR ratio. And if you take a look at the close trades available, then you will see my losses $124, $120, $126, which is 0.5%, right? $171, which not even a single percent, $303, a little over 1%. And if I go to the second page, again, you can see $425 was my biggest loss, which I took. And whenever I have taken big losses, if you can see $425, $300, I have come back with a banking profit of 4% and I have made it out of the woods. Now you can also say that it's a small account, so I may have been a little aggressive, because when I will show you my 100K stats, they are a little different. They are very, very precise. $1,000 risk, $2,000 reward. $1,000 risk, $2,000 reward. There is not a single loss in my 100K account more than $1,000, and that speaks a lot about my discipline in bigger accounts. But yeah, obviously it was a smaller account, so I might have taken a little more risk. But it doesn't matter if my average loss is less than a single percent and my average win is also close to 2%. So I think I did a good job and I cleared this account in almost 4 days. I got this account on the 18th. I cleared it by the 23rd. So it was all good. It was all sunshine and rainbows. So I had a great time doing this. Now, what would be my advice for people who are still trying to pass challenges in 2025? Pick a great asset that is moving like butter during that particular time. You have to understand that all assets do not move the same. Even if you have a favorite asset, it will not move the same throughout the year. So you'll have to pick a time on when to trade it, how to trade it, how much to risk, and how much leverage to take, right? So sometimes, if let's say NQ is your favorite asset and it's moving absolutely wonderful, you can buy a lot of accounts and you can leverage that. Okay. And when the times are not good, you can cut that leverage. You can just have one account, take 0.5% risk and protect yourself. This is what I have learned in the last 8 months of that I was not over here in the YouTube. So again, this is my advice. This is my way of clearing. I hope you can gain some insights from it and maybe apply the same into your trading. And if this video can help you, if this short video has helped you understand, and if you want more videos such as this, please make sure to like. Again, thank you so much for watching. I think I gave a bit of insight on whatever your trading journey might look like in the future. I gave a bit of insights on how you can improve in the future. And if I did that, please make sure to leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another video and I will keep you updated on the journey. Bye-bye.